Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, May the 1st, 2019. Today's video clip is sort of an extension of yesterday's video. We are doing the same thing today as we did yesterday, with the exception of the camera is zoomed in 100% today. Yesterday it was zoomed out 100%. So here we are, we just took off, got up to the first waypoint, going down the front of the club, and the top conditions, the same conditions apply as they did yesterday. The top left position is 0 feet in elevation for the point of interest. The top right position is 50 feet for the point of elevation. And the bottom left is 100 feet for the point of interest elevation. Just went around the end of the pond, going up the other side of the pond now. The zoom really gives a different perspective on the whole thing. It's everything seems much closer with the zoom on. Sort of makes it a little hard to fly. You think you're really just about ready to clip a treetop when really you're probably 70 or 80 feet above it yet. Here we got up to the end of the pond. We're going around the back side, the row of trees in the back side of the club. And on the lower left, you can see way off in the distance, you can see the skeet field up there. Making the last corner on the back side there, we're going to start coming down along the side of the club. And there we are coming down the side of the club, getting close to the road out front. Going over the skeet houses, you can see the pond off in the distance on the bottom left picture. Going over the top of the rifle range now, although you can't see it. Well, you can a little bit in the top left up there, but and there we are. We went across the road and completed the mission, turning around, and we're heading back to the home where the landing spot's supposed to be, where we took off from. That's all for now. Have a good day. We'll catch everyone later. Goodbye.